welcome. Today in front of me Realme GT Neo 3 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere App on this device. So let's just first open the Play Store application, and here in the search pool let's enter the Ampere. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application is installing on your device. After that, just open the app, click yes, I agree, pick close. On the left down corner, tap to OK. And now here we can see the information with the temperature of our device battery. In my case, that's 32 on 4. And also we can find here more information like the battery level, health, capacity, voltage, device model, Android version, and more other information. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.